my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a gradient on my nails. Now for this, you will need to have a white base so your color will pop. I did not clean around my cuticles because I'm gonna use the sponge. So that means I'm gonna end up with the nail polish all over my cuticle, around my cuticle. So I'll clean when I'm done. So here I have different colors, so you can choose any colors you want, and you can use as many colors as you want depending on the length of your nails. I think I'm gonna use this glitter. I don't know yet. I usually don't plan anything. I just kind of have an idea of what I want to do, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna open every single one of my nail polish. And okay, love this pink. Beautiful green. So I'm gonna do the first one, and then so I can show you guys. And this is for those of you who are new to gradient. This is how you do it. So I'm gonna start with the blue, and you can do any color, and you can start with any color you want. You don't have to do the colors that I'm doing. You can do whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. And I do want to mention, doing a gradient on your nails is pretty messy, so be ready to clean. Or you can actually put some liquid like latex around your cuticles. I'm too lazy to do that. Alright, so I'm going to start applying it to my nails. And make sure you go around, so make sure you do your whole nail so you don't end up with white spots on your nails. And make sure you sponge it really good so you can blend the colors. It looks way better in person. It looks more bright. The colors look like more bright in person. Looks like candy. Okay, so again, you're just gonna reapply all the colors to your sponge and just do the next nail. And make sure you apply enough polish. That's why I'm saying, like, when you do gradients, use your cheapest polish. You don't want to waste your expensive nail polish. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of the nails, and I'm gonna do more than one coat because I want the color to be more vibrant. Alright, so I'll be back at the end of the video to talk to you guys like I always do. You guys, so this is how my gradient look. I don't know if I chose the best colors. I know the orange and the pink one look really nice together, but maybe I should put the green and the blue together. I don't know. It's too late for that, so it's okay. It's not gonna look bad, I'm sure of that. So I'm just gonna grab some acetone because I need to clean my nails. I know it looks really messy, but let me just go ahead and just show you how I would clean all this mess. A Q-tip, and I'm just gonna clean around. Again, if you want to cover your cuticle area, your fingers, with something like a piece of tape or the, you know, peel off, that's okay too. I mean, I'm not going to show you how I clean every single nail. I'm not trying to make this video super long and boring. So let me just grab my brush, and I'm just going to do one on camera so you guys can see. So just 100% acetone. It has to be 100% acetone, otherwise you're going to be struggling cleaning your nails forever. And you guys know how glitter makes everything better. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have some of this Orly, and this one is Shine On Crazy Diamond, and I love this. The China Glaze Fairy Lights, I think it's called. I love that one too. So I'm just gonna apply some of this on the top. And you can just stamp over your nails or just leave them like this. You decide what you want. Believe me, they look way better on person. The colors look more brighter. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna clean the rest of my nails, and then I'll be back to show you guys. I'm done cleaning around my cuticles. I still gotta wash my hands, but I'm not done, so that's why I wanted to show you guys how my nails look. And this is what I did to my nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is from Dollar Store, and I'm just gonna draw some lines. It doesn't have to be perfect. So if you don't have any stamping plates, you can do, you know, this kind of art. You need less stuff, and you're still gonna have some really unique nails. So I'm gonna do the rest of the nails. I'm gonna top coat, and then I'll be back to show you guys. you guys, so this is how my mani looks. I think it looks pretty nice. What do you guys think? You guys like it? Let me know in the comments. I decided I wanted to apply some black because I felt like it needed something to pop. And I was right. I really like it. On the thumbnail, I applied some matte top coat. Let me just show you guys. And I think I like it better. I don't know. But if you guys like it shiny, and then you guys just leave it just with regular top coat, I think I'm gonna do matte on all my nails. What do you guys think? You guys like it? At the beginning, I didn't know what I was gonna do to my nails other than like gradient. But I'm really happy with the final mani that I created. So yeah, you guys. And I know a couple times people ask me where I bought these brushes. These are from AliExpress. I'm gonna try to find them. After I use them, I usually put a little bit of oil, and then I just put it away, and nothing happens to them, and they work really good. So you guys, I guess that's it for this video. Hope you like this mani tutorial and the end result. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, you guys. Bye.